happened with that box. Let's delete that. This thing is not doing what I want it to do. So how do I fix that? Turn this off. That's how. Right? Now let's try it again. Is that a box? No, it's not. It's a high level consolidation. There's better stocks. Maybe this one will be great. Maybe it won't. I am not going to add it to the list. Let's move on. It's not good enough. This whole thing may be a base. It's hard to tell because you have this big spike here. Let's move on. This one has already run. Maybe you could have traded this. Move on. Farmers and merchants. Okay, so this is interesting with farmers and merchants. Farmers and merchants has a huge, what I call a smile. It's kind of sloppy. So here's the thing, right? Everybody is expecting there to be an interest rate announcement. Okay. So maybe that's why old farmers and merchants is putting in a base. You might even have a head and shoulders here. Maybe I'll come back to this and do a video, but I'm not going to add it to the list because it's not quite what we're looking for today. But if you're a long-term investor, maybe that's not a bad way to go.